to return from school so that you can sell those pure water, and you're coming back to tell me how you took some stupid position in school. Are you mad? Listen, give me that. Give it to me. That's it. Now I will see what will excite you. Go inside this minute. Carry that pure water, all of them, and go sell it this minute. Now. Go sell this minute before I lose my temper. Get out. Just imagine. I'm waiting for you for how many hours? Come to tell me you've taken them down in school. Let me not miss you in that room, oh.
Sister, what's going on? I heard some voices.
I want to share game Mataba. Eh? She'll not allow somebody to rest in this compound. Every time she'll be barking like a dog. My dear, don't mind. Just go inside, okay?
Mind your business, oh, because if I enter you, hey,
enter me. Well, I beg you, Saba. But you say you enter me, ba? You know if you try am.
It's all right. Where are you? So let me not meet you in that room, oh. Come out this minute with the pure water. You're mad. Rubbish. And don't first in school. See, you're the first person to come out first in school. Rubbish. Just imagine. Hey, if I meet you there, Zara! Where the pure water house is up this minute? Bring it out! Rubbish. Stupid thing.
I'm very hungry. I've not had anything to eat since morning. Can I at least have something to eat before going to sell the sachet water?
Hey. Mom, I'm very hungry. I'm going to have something to eat before going to... Are you mad? Are you stupid? Oh, you didn't know you were hungry when you spent the whole day in school. In that stupid school of yours. Listen. You will not eat anything until you take this pure water and say, if you return to this house with one, Makachuku, I will kill you. Carry this thing I'm not telling you this minute. I say, carry this water. I'll break it. Carry it. Carry the water. Carry it. I'm very hungry. As if you've watched. Take this thing out of my sight.
How about Mama? Take it easy on this girl now. Do you want to kill her?
Hey! Nyanga dey sleep. Trouble won't wake come. Na palava. You dey fight. See, avoid me, oh. Avoid me. Hey!
Me? You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything to me. Eh? Well, I kill the don't you bro ben catch king gidan nene kinchiko. Do you think ni Zara ne? Huh? Make that monkey self.
I don't blame you. Zara, you've seen what you've caused. You have seen it. See the insults. If not on a normal day, can this one talk to me? Can you talk to me on a normal day? On a normal day.
See this one. The letter. Sha, krikata, don't put on over. Try to kill me, I will deal with you.
King Nnebe. It is not your fault. I don't blame you. It is well. Here is this compound. Palava, you will see. Look who's here. My bundle of joy. You're welcome. How was school today?
Very well, Mom.
Good.
You're all dressed. Where are you planning to go to?
Well, I have a meeting today. I have a meeting to attend. No, don't worry. It's not going to be a very long one.
Okay.
I'll be back in 2 hours, okay? Alright. I'm sure you must be hungry.
I'm famished.
I know. Imelda! Imelda!
Yes, sir. Hey.
Good afternoon, Auntie Imelda.
Afternoon, you're back. How are you?
Fine.
My madam is back. You know what that means.
Yes, I know.
Please prepare something for her immediately. No?
Okay, sister.
Thank you.
Steph, freshen up before food. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, darling. See you later, okay?
Alright, sister.
And go inside.
Zara. This woman is very
Zara.
wicked. Hi!
Bring her up. This woman, you are very wicked. God will punish you. Other than seeing she get mad.
Zara.
Zara, open your eyes.
So small water, small pure water, I gave to you to go and sell. You came back and fainted in front of everybody. Like I gave you something tedious to do.
But Mom, I have not tasted anything. I was hungry, that's why.
I haven't said something like that. I was hungry. Really? So anybody that is hungry now faints, okay?
No, Mom. My eyes were really turning and I couldn't help it.
Oh. Okay. Just be ready for more of those eyes turning. Because this food here is the last food. There is nothing more left in this house. Since you have decided to disgrace me publicly, I mean, if you want to faint, why didn't you just go outside, far from this compound, somewhere else, and faint? Instead of fainting in front of all these people that don't even know their left to their right. Let's look at me like a bad person. Keep fainting.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Sorry for your silly and stupid self. Listen, hurry up. Also, so eat this thing and stand up. There's so many things to do in this house. Look at the water. Water is almost finished. Eat. Fill this drum. You go to the back, fill the one at the back, then you sweep this house. Hurry up! There is so much to do in this house. You're lucky you did not misplace my money. Rubbish. Hurry this thing and stand up. eating like you're doing something important. Your sight disgusting. Rubbish. If not for food, is there anything else you can do in this house?
Business, because if you kill her now, we will not be left at when the police come for investigation. What's the meaning of this?
Both of you should stay away from my business. Why is it that other neighbors don't come out to interfere when I'm trying to discipline my daughter? Why is it always you or that your stupid sister? If she's not here, it is you. And this one too, you will not mind your business. Listen, if you so want a child, why don't you go and get pregnant and give birth to a child? Then you will show this love. Good Samaritan. You know what's in the Bible and do your own Samaritan. Busybody, avoid me in this compound. If you want a child, go and give birth. Leave this girl alone. Leave this girl alone. Leave this girl alone. What is wrong with you? You, Winja, you will meet me in the house. You will meet me in the house since you've decided to.
What's the meaning of this?
Don't worry. I will deal with you. Rubbish. You want everybody making talk. You seem like a mad woman. Talk anyhow because of you. Oh, you're flying out to the house. You're flying out to the house. You will sleep there this night. Let me see this in this house. Rubbish. Oh, what is it? I will not rest. You make me talk and shout like a mad woman. It's yours. Nonsense. Are you enjoying your new school?
Yes, Mom. I'm adapting gradually.
That's nice. Have you been able to make some friends?
Yes, Mom. I made one friend.
Really?
But though she's in JS1, she's brilliant.
JS1?
Yes, Mom.
Why did you choose to have a friend in JS1 instead of your class?
Mom, she's brilliant. And you know how much I like associating with brilliant people. Okay, this is it.
Hi.
I came to congratulate you for winning the quiz competition earlier. You're such a brilliant girl.
Thank you.
I enjoyed your courage coupled with your charisma and delivery. Everything was top-notch, I must confess.
Thank you.
Well, my name is Stephanie.
My name is Zara.
Nice to meet you, Zara.
My pleasure.
Hope you won't mind if I take a walk with you and possibly get to know you better.
It's fine, no problem.
Now I know why you chose her.
So, hope you don't object to my being friends with her.
No. As long as you are comfortable having her as a friend, I'm fine.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
You're the best mom ever.
And you are the best daughter ever.
You too. I envy you.
Don't envy us. Have you done your assignments?
Yes, Mom.
I should help?
No.
Sorry. What is good about the money? And where are you going to dress like this?
I'm going to school.
What is today?
Wednesday morning, and I'm off to school.
So you're not aware that Wednesdays are the days for our market and you're supposed to carry these goods to the market to sell?
I know, Mom, and I'll do that once I return from school this afternoon. Besides, market closes 7 p.m. today. There is enough time for me. I need to be in school this morning because we have quiz.
So are you trying to tell me that the stupid quiz you have is better than these goods you're supposed to take to the market to sell? Eh? Or you don't know that it's the money we realize from the sales of these goods that I use in training you and feeding your stupid self? Huh?
I know, Mom, and trust me, I'll go sell everything once I return from school. I can't afford to miss this quiz.
Really?
You can afford to miss this quiz.
Oh, I'm so sorry, darling. But you have already missed the quiz. Now go inside. Remove this rubbish you have on. Wear something else and come and carry these goods to the market.
Mama, please.
Do you want me to force you? I said go inside. Rubbish. You tell me about quiz. Carry this to the market. Or you expect me to carry it to the market myself? Let me not meet you there. Talking on, Mom. Please. See, if you're talking to me, you better speak out loud though. If not, I will squeeze that stupid voice of yours and it will change to baritone. What is still keeping you inside? Oh, yes. So change that you're wasting time. Come on, remove your dress. Listen, I'm giving you 1 minute. I'm outside waiting for you. If I don't see you outside in the next 1 minute, I'll kill you. Don't remove this thing. I'm gonna go and carry these oranges. Rubbish. What rubbish? Let me not meet you inside. Zara! Ha! What is keeping you inside? Come outside and take this thing to the market. Oh yeah, outside. Carry the nylon. Good. Outside. Come and carry this thing. Look, listen. These oranges. 2 of these oranges is 50 naira. You sell 2 for 50 naira. Did you hear me? Go out. Make sure you sell all of them. Do not return to this house with 1 orange. Understood? Do you understand? You're selling 250. I have calculated all here. Oh yeah, this way. One, and carry it. I should help you. To carry this thing, you can't carry just this thing. Put that thing on your head. If you eat apple now, you finish 3. Carry this thing. Carry it. Yeah, hold this thing. Hold this nylon. Make sure you don't misplace my money. I will not get story. Oh yeah, Alele, go. If you like, cry from here to Jerusalem. Just make sure you finish those oranges. You finish selling them. Don't return to this house with 1. Rubbish. If you still eat apple now, you will finish 3. If you cry and come back with 1 orange, of course you know the kind of mother you have. You don't have to say much. What is it? Now you to sell orange, you're acting as if I'm maltreating you. Rubbish. Lazy thing.
Somebody know where we go. Somebody know where we go. Somebody know where we go. Somebody know where we go.
Buy your sweet oranges. Buy your oranges.
How much is your orange?
250 naira.
This orange are small now. How much last? Why are you sober?
No, I'm fine.
Do you need help?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Put 2 for me. No. Give me that other one. Okay. No, I don't like this one. Give me that one. Okay. It's 15 naira, right?
Mama Zara! Mama Zara, Mama Zara!
My better neighbor! You don't come back!
I don't show, I don't come. I the package here I follow.
My brother, we just did on a normal level. We don't miss you.
I don't miss you now too. I swear. Hey. I don't miss you now.
Chai, how come you carry come now? We better.
You know, say nothing at the carry come pass better. So no worry. As soon as I finish freshen up now, I go bring your better come. You go land for your domot. No.
Artus,
so ask Zara now.
That one there.
Okay, so no shaking. We'll see later and later things, yeah?
No shaking, I did. This your red shirt. I like how it go fits me.
No worry, they're for my bag. I'll give you.
No problem. I believe you. No wahala. Chai. My better neighbor don't come. No be all these ones there. When God don't forsake. My better neighbor. Not be neighbors don't be like who God don't reject. Me too, so.
leave me. What are you doing around here?
Should be asking you that. What are you doing here? What are you doing with oranges in your tray?
I'm selling them.
You sell?
Yes.
Unbelievable. Well, I got to your class earlier today to look for you, and I was told you didn't come to school. They had a quiz without you.
That means the quiz actually held?
Of course it did. Why didn't you come to school?
My mom said I should go hawking today at the expense of my quiz.
What? Why? Doesn't she want you to go to school? Tell me, Zara, is there something you think I should know?
No, nothing. Everything is fine.
Obviously, all is not well. I can see it in your eyes and I can also feel it. Tell me what the problem is. I'm your friend.
It's a long story, Steph.
Then tell me a bit of it.
My mother hates me for no reason. My tears is the source of her joy. Nothing I do ever pleases her. She even calls me names. No mother could ever call her own child.
I can't believe this. Hold on a second. Have you ever tried finding out what the problem really is?
She wouldn't tell me.
One day, she was busy chatting with her friends via her phone. And then I was done with everything she asked me to do. So I walked up to her to serve food for me to eat.
Mom? Mom? Please, I'm done with all my house chores. Please come serve soup for me to eat.
Can't you see I'm busy? My friend, go and serve yourself.
Okay,
Go!
Mom. Okay, Mom.
Out of fear of being beaten, I took just a spoon of the soup without a meat, so she doesn't skin me alive. And as a matter of fact, I've never eaten any food with meat in it before. All my meals have always been without a meat. Even when we have enough in the pot, she wouldn't let me eat any.
Yes, Mom.
What are you doing?
I'm eating.
Eating? Eh? Who gave you soup?
You asked me to serve it that you were busy.
Me? Asked you to serve it? Where was that?
Just now, Mom.
Is that no meat? Zara, you never took meat!
No, Mom. I did not take meat.
Bring it. Give me this one. Let me see. Bring it.
Take a look at it.
Bring it. Shh. You want to eat? You want to eat food? Rubbish. You're eating. As if you know how to walk on.
Oh, my eyes! My eyes! Somebody help me! Pepe!
that rubbish.
My eyes! Help! Please help! My eyes! Pepe! My eyes! Help!
Later that day, I decided I should go to her so she can tell me why she dislikes me the way she does. Mom, can I have a word with you, please?
What is it? I can hear you.
Mom, why do you hate me so much? And where is my father?
Hey! Zara! Listen, if they sent you, tell them you did not meet me at home. Now get out of my sight.
Mom,
Get out!
answer me.
I said get out! Listen, one more word from you, you will be sorry for yourself. Out of my sight! How'd you know? Wait, this girl don't go chop me so. Ha!
These are many more. Are the things I go through in my own mother's hands every day that passes by.
Are you sure she's your biological mother?
Yes, she is. At first, I thought she wasn't until I did some findings. And for sure, she gave birth to me.
It's okay, don't cry. Put yourself together, okay? Don't cry.
Now, if I don't sell all these oranges, I shouldn't come back home. These were her exact words.
What a wicked mother. How much are the remaining oranges?
This ones are big. My mom said I should sell 250 naira. But that means this 4 will be 100 naira.
Okay, I'll pay for the remaining ones. Okay, I have the money.
Thank you.
Don't worry.
I really appreciate this. God will bless you. You did well for me.
Don't worry. Now go home, go home. I would have followed you to your place to know where you live, but unfortunately, I have to meet up my driver so he doesn't wait for me too long. But don't worry, when I see you in school, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay, don't worry, go home, okay? Bye.
Where to tidy this market?
No, my brother will. But I'm back on the side now.
Go away, go away.
That's smoking.
That guy already did the business thing.
I tell him we'll go together and I know one flow me with us. But me at the area now. My sister will go supply you. Uchechi.
You'll collect very soon.
Bros, not for my area.
Not be for your area.
Oh, I like.
No worry. One day you go match line, and that day you go know whether not for your area.
Bros,
I will not for your area.
No be lie, I tell you. I want to
So we know.
Victus, which day you come back this compound, pa? Where you carry all these bad boys come here come dey smoke? I don't tell you, say not be everybody for this compound. They like smoke.
Now they ask you so. I say whether you dey craze, I be they learn how to craze. Eh? So you don't look everybody for this compound like you don't look this whole compound around. I mean Victus. Now you want to follow the. See, if I go close my eye open, I'm not saying.
that girl no get sense.
No use leg run, na head you go take run.
I won't tell you.
You see, stand
let's not here.
God punish you. Me and your boyfriend did cartel last night. They preach gospel.
Okay, this girl.
Don't that blast you there, stupid girl. I don't tell her help me now. Make una help me blast this girl and I no gree. I wish you they blast this girl, you they blast this guy. This guy cannot come here and call the talk of the rubbish.
This money never
For that bending yash. No.
I don't want you the reason. This guy come here and they tell me to make another smoke for my whole company. That's why they pay rent.
Boss, check out that one.
This girl. If I not fit do, somebody else go help me do.
Later we'll go that way. If don't be this girl matter you there.
That way not be your way. I mean they go there. You join the escort.
You know boss now.
You they go around the matter.
No, sorry boss. Sorry.
Take time. When I go collect. For the man at the time.
Boss. Reality. Hey. But so
everywhere still. My man, you're drilling them, my brother. Never forget to you.
For you.
Forget that.
Come on.
No go ready. Move. Make.
But they are back.
You understand? I don't use money there well.
Make the family talk with you, don't do.
Thank you. I'm fine, my dear. You know how the country is now. We're just managing how to do. Hold on. Let me call you back. I'll call you back.
Mommy, I sold everything. Look at it. Look at the train. Nothing left.
So what? You sold everything and so what? Should I fly? Are you the first person to finish selling her stock? Are you the first person? Give me my money. Ask me the money. Start. I sold everything. See if I should fly. Like you've done something that nobody on earth has done. I mean, get out. Go inside. Get out of my sight. Hope this thing is complete. Hope my money is complete. I mean, let me not count it and it's not complete. There is nothing in the house for you to eat. Is that why you are sounding as if you want to flog me?
For God's sake, I've been outside since morning under the sun selling. And I came home, I expected you made something for me to eat at least when I returned. But you didn't.
Oh, so you want to flog me because I forgot to prepare food or I didn't make food for Her Royal Majesty? Oh yeah, go inside. Look under the bed. You will see that cane. Bring it and come and flog me. Since I did not make food for Her Royal Majesty. Come and flog me. I'm warfare. Rubbish.
This is really not fair at all.
Is life itself fair? Are you fair? Has life been fair to me? But if you come, get out of my sight. Listen, let me tell you something. I will give you money. And that's because of God. If it's left for me and you, of course you know, Chichi, you will sleep without food this night. Rubbish. See, listen. I'm giving you this money because of God. Look at it. Take. Go and get something for yourself. And I'm giving it because I'm a good person. If not, Chingbang, you won't see. You sleep like that. Rubbish.
Mom, for God's sake, what did this get me? What will 15 naira get me?
Look at this beggar. So you even have a choice. Oh yeah, give me back the money. Give me back the money. Since you are not appreciative. See who I gave money to get something. You even know the value of money. You are asking me, for God's sake, what will 15 naira get for me? When I was your age, who gave me money? Who
You who gave me 50 naira. Do you know what this thing will buy for you? But if you don't want the money, give it to me and get out of my sight. Rubbish. You're not with 50 naira, for God's sake. You even know value of money. Yet you're not making money. Your mates are there carrying cement, building, doing something. You went and sold ordinary orange. What do you do for me? For God's sake. It's not your fault. I mean, put you for school. You're God, for God's sake, me. You're mad. Get out of my sight! Rubbish. Come on, spoil my mood. Hey, you 15 naira gave me for God's sake. See where they help. Let go to this idiot. Idiot. I don't blame you. If not for my good heart. You had a dash person 15 naira. You work hard for it. Idiot.
Any person when he mess up for this school, go over collect. Waiting at the talk so now they look at like play. Make everybody they use their number 6. You know they hear me so.
But man, what is your neighbor the panebidi speaking every time they oppress her?
Like my neighbor the oppressive picking, when are your oppression? Picking when you say mama no go sleep, that picking to no go see sleep. That's money way they say for this when they listen as small picking. Mind where that get carried, 10 people not carry am.
Man, no be waiting they tell you. If you look that picking no get wahala at all. You know they say,
oh boy, mind your business, quiet. Forget another people matter. You dey here?
Sorry, boss. Everywhere good, believe me. That boss.
Really, the smell follow you.
No. Yeah, boss. Beg, no place, boss. Follow me, beg Organa.
No, don't worry. Everywhere good. More just arrange. Get one.
Don't be that bad, Dinya show.
No understand. No, we will feel it.
They will you, boss.
Make my neighbor matter. That one not join. You know understand?
I did tell you.
Should I call my mom for you?
That would be nice.
Okay. Mom! Mom!
What is it? Why are you shouting my name in this hot afternoon, Zara? What is it? What is it? Why are you shouting my name in this hot afternoon? Don't you know we have neighbors that could be sleeping? Me too. What if I was sleeping? Ogini, what is it?
Mom, meet my friend Stephanie. Steph. My mom.
Good afternoon, ma.
You're welcome. So, she's your friend?
Yes, Mom. She just got admitted into our school so she can write a WAEC examination in a government school. She was formerly in a private school.
Is that true?
Yes, ma. My mom wants me to acquire my WAEC result at a government-owned school. That's why, ma.
Okay. You're welcome once again.
Mom, she's actually in SS3. She usually helps me do most of my hard assignments.
Thank you once again.
You don't have to thank me, ma. It's nothing. Zara is a good girl, and I chose to make her my friend because I know she will one day make you proud and everyone around her.
This one? You mean Zara? Well, I was already on my way when you came in. I'll be going out. We'll see some other time. But if you're around when I return, we'll see. Okay? All right. And as for you, respect yourself. Keep my house clean. Sweep the floor, tidy the bed, and wash the dishes. I don't want to come back and see anything unkept. You know?
Yes,
because you know. Okay, all right. You're welcome. Oh, I will see you.
Steph, I need to get to work now. Because if she returns and I haven't done what she said, I'm dead. I need to go.
I see. In that case, I'll just help you so you'll be faster.
No, you're a guest. Don't worry, don't stress yourself. I can do it myself.
I insist, okay? I want to help you to beat up the time, and please don't say no.
Okay, if you insist, if you want to really help me, you'll go inside and arrange the rooms while I do the dishes outside here. How about that?
Anyone will be fine.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
He's a pretender. Some people easily forgot that blood is thicker than water. Destiny, it can only be delayed. It can be delayed. Blood is thicker than water.
You are a bad omen, a curse, a sad news. I regret the very day I gave birth to you, you product of rape.
Zara, look at what I found.
What is it?
Go through it yourself.
You are a bad omen, a curse, a sad news. I regret the very day I gave birth to you, you product of rape.
You don't have to cry. Wipe your tears, okay?
Could this be the reason she hates me so much? Could this also be the reason? I've asked her about my dad, and she refuses to say anything to me. Anytime I ask her, she slaps me and tells me never to ask her such a stupid question again. I got tired and never asked her.
I'm so sorry all this is happening to no other person but you.
She calls me names. She said I'm a child of rape, a child of pain, a child of disgrace, useless and worthless child. All this she calls me.
Could this be the reason? Obviously. If not, why would she be treating you this bad? So glaring, you're a product of rape. But don't worry. There's a reason for everything. Everything will be fine. Get back to work, because she'll be back in no time. So you don't get into more troubles.
Where are you going to?
Mom, I wanted to go take off my uniform, eat and attend to my assignment. I've missed a lot in class. I have a lot of homework piled up for me to do.
Zara, I'm sure you've not forgotten that today is a market day and you're supposed to take these oranges to the market to sell. Eh? Or is it because I allowed you to go to school today? You know you're not supposed to go to school today. But out of my own goodwill, I allowed you to go to school. Come back, carry these oranges and go to the market.
But Mom, I thought since you allowed me go to school today, you won't allow me sell these oranges. Mom, see, I took most of my class notebooks so I can copy the ones I've missed. Mom, please let me have my time, please. Let me have my time today, please, Mom.
Zara, I am in a good mood today. Please, don't let me change my temper. Do you understand? What is it? Eh? Or is it because I allowed you to go to school today? I'm sure you're not blind when you came in. You saw me counting these oranges. That means you're supposed to take them to the market. What is it? Come to think of it, I don't even know the essence of this school you are attending. Eh? Why are you even going to school? Listen. If you don't take these oranges to the market, there will be no school for you. Remember you told me you have tests in the next 2 weeks? Yeah? No test for you. Because there is no money to pay for your test, no pay for your exam, pay for your school fees. So since you don't want to sell these oranges, no problem.
Mom, but I've been selling for you. You'd have said for my school fees.
Oh, I see. Sorry, you are now teaching me how to manage money. You are teaching... No, continue. Tell me how I'm supposed to be spending money in this house. Tell me. Since you're grown and you now have mind to make decisions of your own, no wahala. I am taking these oranges inside. You will not... Since you don't want to sell these oranges, you won't go to school for 1 whole week. You want to do your homework, bah? Go and do your assignments. You will do the assignments. You will mark it yourself. You will do your test. You will mark it yourself because you are not going to school from this house. No problem. Go. Oh yeah, see, go and do your homework. No problem.
Mom, please. Mom, please.
What is
please,
it?
It's fine. You said no one will mark my assignment if I do them, and I don't have money to pay for my test.
That's true.
So Mom, please just give me the key. Let me open the door, eat, and take the oranges to the market and sell them. Please.
Which key? Open where? I should open my door for you. You? No, it's not happening. I don't have the time. See, look at my bag is here. I was waiting for you to come back from school so you can carry these oranges to the market. Because I have somewhere I'm rushing to. You know what you will do? Since you have agreed to sell the orange, let me not be a wicked mother. I've always been a good woman. When you sell the oranges, you take 100 naira. 100 naira! What did I say?
100 naira.
Not 150 or 110, no. 100 naira, that's 250 naira or just 100 naira notes. And buy whatever you want to eat. Eh?
Yes.
I don't have that time. No? That is it. Drop your bag here. I don't have that time. I don't have time to start opening the door and waiting for you to change or this. Drop your school bag here, then take this thing to the market. I don't want to hear story. I sell everything. Nothing should go missing. You understand?
Young girl, how much do you sell your oranges? Are you not the one selling these oranges?
Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I was carried away by my assignments.
Carried away by assignments?
Yes, sir.
And you forgot that this place is street. And this assignment you are doing is not meant to do in the street, rather home. Eh? Okay, let me ask you now. What if it happens that someone come here and carry this thing and disappear? What are you going to do? Eh?
I know, sir. But my mom won't allow me to do it at home. She doesn't give me time to do my assignment at home. So I decided to do it here.
Child. You know what? How much do these oranges cost? All of them. How much do they cost?
I calculated them, sir, and I think they cost 3,000 naira.
Okay, 3,000 naira.
Yes.
You know what? Here, take this. This is 3,000 naira. Count it.
Thank you, sir.
Oh yeah, package it up for me. Fast.
But sir, I don't think all these oranges will contain this nylon.
Okay, I think I have line on here. Okay. Package it up here.
Thank you, sir.
Fast. Try and next time, man.
Tried of rape, but yet she kept away from me. Reason best known to her. What do I do now? I can't possibly pretend like all is well and all is not. Should I comfort her with this? No, I can't. Else she will kill me. Someone has got to tell her the truth. But the question is, who?
Zara. Yes, what are you doing here? Are you okay?
Yes.
Hope you finished doing everything I asked you to do. And my room is tidy.
Yes.
Zara.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you crying?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
Get out. Look at somebody I'm even trying to sympathize with. If you like, cry blood. It's not my business. Oh, bitch.
Zara, what is it? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Eh? I heard your mommy's voice. Hope she didn't beat you again.
No, ma'am.
Are you sure she didn't beat you?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going out now, okay? So I'll get something for you on my way coming back.
Thank you.
Alright, take care of yourself for me, okay? Alright, bye.
Oh yeah.
Mom, are you going out?
Yes, I'm going out. As a matter of fact, I don't have plans of returning today. I might come this evening or tomorrow morning. So you have to come. Let me go and keep you at Vitu's house. So you stay depending on when I return.
Okay, Mom, but I don't want to go there. I don't like going to Vitu's house.
Why?
I don't like that side.
You will love it. You will love it now. Oh yeah, move. Oh, if you think I will leave you in this house all by yourself, so you finish my food before I return, it's not working. I know these tricks now. Stand up, let's go.
Mom, I won't. Why don't you take me to Auntie Aisha's house instead of Uncle Vito's house, please?
Aisha? Hey! You want me to drop you with that one? They're not used to stay at a place. That's where you want to go to. I said it. I knew she's the one spoiling you. Now, move. Let's go.
Mommy, you're hurting me.
I'm hurting you. Come here. Listen. Henceforth, you will not question my authority in this house. Do you understand?
Yes.
Whatever I say stands. The day you will question my authority, Allah, I will kill you. How do you tell me if you're the one paying the bills in this house? Move. Come here. Hold on. Let me bring wrapper for you. Rubbish. That's it. Take the wrapper. Yes. You complain of being cold. Oh yeah. Let's go.
That girl is making me.
Vitus.
Mama Zara. How you doing now?
I did fine. How you doing now?
I just do.
Vitus, you get one small favor when I want make you help me with to
favor.
Yes.
What be that?
It gets where I want go, and as the time don't be so, you know, be like say I go fit come back today. So I just want make you for help me, make Zara fit stay for your side today. Tomorrow morning when I come carry her.
Zara, I don't want to be the favor when you say you won't beg me soon. You know, sir, as me and you today, this is not the way you're supposed to beg me. As your comes, you're supposed to yours, you know. We don't tell me Safa, Victus, Zara, do your place, and they come. If now 1 year you stayed outside, I will take care of and with you. You know, say this pikin be like my own pikin now. Why they do like that? Hey! Yeah, you Zara, come this side.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Inside, go inside. Victus, thank you.
No shaking.
Make her they go now. Enjoy. Let me greet fast. Oh yeah, you go inside.
Take care.
No problem.
Not find trouble.
No, no be me. I know how they peaceful. No, they find trouble.
Sit down where?
Because I don't understand this thing with this woman.
I be one even ask why they look like that.
Sorry, no, na the park a look and my no go that guy.
Yeah, not quiet, so let's slap that that.
Men doing. Sorry, no, I did with you boss. You.
If I take some money, get more stuff.
No, na chairman na small pikin no. Na small pikin no. Sorry.
Just no smoke.
Yeah, na. Maybe on 9 compound. We will not stay. Cut out, senior man. What you see?
Thank you. No. You.
Shaman.
You.
Plus na 1,000 years for you know the sour. Just how you now only no reason now.
You are the fan of me or going to carry my name come out today.
Allah win this game, shall open us. I never opened the game. You. I don't understand. Hey. No low now on this.
I don't win, bro.
Oh, mo, which kind game this one? No, I don't win.
I don't before say, I be jagaba for this kind level. Now, if you clear way for me like this now. Now go feel a clear way for me like this now.
We will deal with you.
Who they go again? They shuffle the card.
Play game. Which kind?
Who they go again?
Who money? No, they do like that.
When I drop money.
Money. My own not there already. Okay,
how much now they go like this? Okay.
I have at least like 500. I don't be boss, so I don't play 1K. Me, I don't be boss.
Yeah. Shuffle the card again. Quick. No time. I dey find money, brother Ali. I won't carry my baby.
Chama.
Now you go.
Akachawa zukwadi ke.
No, that boss is there now. Go so yeah.
This one what I do under this. Me I go win this one.
You go win this one. You like saying what it tells you.
Shama, me I dey tap your grace. Yeah, wawa. Go win again. Leave an anyhow na level. Anyhow na level, you know. You can't do things. Now calm down. Now post anyway where you put an award.
See my tomato juice. My 1 in a million. Baby come. Torrent.
Bombo crack.
Hey!
Bombo crack.
Not to look at
Oga boss.
Bombo crack.
Hey! Do not get babe when if I may go die.
How do I look?
You see the hands? Baby, you look like today's bread. Like you too balance. You overbalance past the boots. Bread where they all bake. No. Where is it the hot? Maybe you too much. Guys.
Sure.
Like this now, my Ashima does show. I need to go attend to her like this. So we'll close this game. We'll continue on tomorrow.
No, I won't win now. Chama, go there talk.
Even for my babe presence, you want to disrespect me.
Sorry, no, come off my mouth. Don't be me talking.
I go play follow you here.
To come out.
Now say what? This guy want to carry me the cash through some kind of.
Mama.
You correct so.
Chama, no worry now. You be boss.
Baby. Smoke enter, smoke go. I don't win money, so not here. Everywhere good here. Hey. Oh, baby. I don't miss you, Taya.
I don't like what you're doing. You started again.
Baby, relax, I dey come. Wait.
If I didn't come now, you'll be disturbing me on phone.
Baby, wait, I dey come. Zara. You go buy me something like this. You hear? You go any chemist for this area. I get one man to buy from. Come out, describe the place well for me. Lay your slippers first. After you pass this woman, when they say Akpo for this junction, so that chemist who did that corner, you will go the chemist like this.
You said chemist, uncle?
Yes, chemist. After we that woman take the say Akpo so. If you enter that road, that man with the seconds by the left like this. You meet him, you tell him, give you condom, come.
Dum.
You decrease. Condom. Call him.
Condom.
Not the call him from no, you want condom. Where they condom. Not go buy something else from you and they wait for her. No. Fast. And get work. Zara, come. What? I won't forget this thing. You know the place when I show you so now? And make sure say na there you go. So you go tell the man say na Victus na send you come. Tell him say I get clients for house. Tell him say I get client for house. May give you wetin I go fit take work am.
Clients.
Tell him say I get clients for house. Make he give you wetin I fit take work with the clients. You dey hear? Take. Now I be two things now you dey bring now. I not waste my time. Fast, run.
Here.
Of course, I'm on my way to your house. And you? Where are you going to?
I was sent on an errand by a neighbor.
Okay, in that case, now that I've seen you, I'll just go with you. John?
Small madam.
Please go home. Tell mom I'll be back in time, okay?
No problem, small madam. Take care of yourself.
I will. My friend, what are you going to buy?
My My neighbor sent me to buy condom and he also asked me to tell the chemist man to give me something that he will use for his clients. Something, I don't know.
Do you know what a condom and the other items are and what they are used for?
No, I don't. He just said I should go to a chemist and get them.
Who did you say sent you again? Your neighbor.
My neighbor, yes. His name is Uncle Vitus.
Your neighbor, right?
Yeah.
Take me to him.
Okay. But why?
No more questions, okay? Just take me to him.
Yeah, you want to say this girl go soon. Now you see this is. For better more, let me waka this waka. Just imagine. I'll marry condom and say this girl. She don't come. Quick. What is supposed to be run? Deliver the goods for me.
Have what? So you are the person who sent this little child to get you condom and hard drug, right?
With this one. You dey craze? You know the fear?
Me, Vitus, how can you do such a thing?
Such a what?
After all these years we've been together, you still don't trust me. How can you send such a little girl to go and buy you condom?
I want to ask you one thing.
No, hang on. I thought you should have sent a more mature mind to go and get you condom. If she's your younger sister, would you have done this to her?
Hi. Lizzie, they insult me for front of small children. Just because say I send this girl condom. Not be say the girl they complain say she don't know condom, so I don't condom one and they would para.
Hi. Please, with due respect, do not send this little girl such an errand again.
I beg. Sorry, no vex. What is going on here? What is it?
Ma, can you imagine your neighbor sending your little daughter to get him condom and hard drug?
I don't understand.
What is wrong? Is that why you're shouting? I mean, I hear voices from gates. Is that why you're shouting? Why are you drinking Panadol for someone else's headache? What is it? Don't you have something else to do? Don't you have homework, assignment, or what? What's your problem?
But ma, she's still a little child.
Oh, shut up! Shut up your mouth! Let me worry about that. What is it? Why are you stopping my daughter from running errands for my neighbor?
Ask this girl.
Listen, I don't want to see you close to this compound again. Henceforth, I don't want to see you anywhere around my child. Because it's obvious you're the one spoiling her. Oh yeah, get out. I say get out. Get out.
Wait.
You just imagine. Come here. Come back here. I should have told you that.
Listen.
Imagine.
Listen, I never reach like that. What did they do this girl?
Don't listen me.
Who the hell they do this one, Lizzie? Lizzie, come back! Shey, you see what you caused?
You've seen it. Hey! You've seen what you've caused. Hey! I beg. Oga Vitus, no vex. I beg, no vex for my little daughter. You know, so now something when I forget, I say make I come carry. Before I come jam this kind of bese. I beg, no vex. You don't know Obio say na that stupid marriage they keep. Now they spoil her. Which kind of wahala be this now? Let's be condom when she no go fit buy. Listen, I don't come, you no get wahala. I go there here, she go buy that condom and give you.
No need. Clients when I want use the condom for. You see how much they para they go just now. So if they buy a condom, who I want use and give? Give me my money, quick.
You've seen it.
Give me the money.
You've seen it.
Toothpick.
I beg, make I no vex. Make she just say, make I go carry the thing come.
If not be one thing, I was me carry this girl for nobody.
I beg, go there. Stay here. See, if I come back, and I hear any bad thing, if you do anything again, I will kill you. Rubbish. Oh yeah, go there. This is why help you. You know go know yourself.
You don't even know how much when I don't use is the way that girl come.
I beg.
Everything and I just want nothing.
I beg.
You form my finish. You form my where. You know how much when I don't use for this girl will be say because of you discharge now. Since when this girl come, only when I don't win from all my guys this morning, I don't burn all of it away. You just call now because I send you small message.
Please forgive me, please.
Well, no wahala. I don't hear. But you form my way. I know you because of get one the day with before. Go they follow small Micheal like you they quarrel. Suppose they take you like my own. But only say they betray me sometimes.
Steph, what is it? You don't look happy.
Yes, Mom. There's this issue I'd like to discuss with you.
Really? Alright. I'm all ears.
It's about Zara, my little friend I told you about.
What about her?
Mom, you won't believe this. Zara's neighbor sent her to get him a condom and other hard drugs.
What? That little girl?
Yes, Mom. The funniest part, her mother came and supported the neighbor for what he did and even scolded me for asking him why he would send such a little girl to get those items.
She scolded you?
Yes, Mom.
My goodness.
That little girl is passing through hell. I wonder what kind of mother would give birth to a child and let her pass through all this. She tells me how her mom maltreats her, beats her up, and treats her like a slave.
This is so unbelievable.
This is another striking thing that happened. I was in Zara's house one day, helping her to arrange up their room. And guess what I saw, Mom?
What?
A picture of Zara when she was still tender, and a write-up behind it, reading, "You will curse, a sad news, a bad omen. I regret the very day I gave birth to you, product of rape." Please, is there anything you could do to help her because of me? Please, Mom.
Zara, you still there here? You don't suppose clear for your eyes, say your mama no go come back today. You don't just come inside, make you can't sleep. You do like this.
Uncle Vitus, I can't sleep. Knowing full well Mom have not returned till now. Please, can you try calling her?
I don't call your mother before. Her number switch off. If her phone go normally and I for day inside and I for not tell her she can carry you. This is my problem.
Uncle Vitus, please try calling her again.
Ma cry again.
Yes.
The number you are calling is currently switched off.
You don't hear her, Abi? You don't hear her say her phone off? Zara, beg, no go inside. Or if possible, go inside, go sleep, make her day outside.
No. I will wait outside here. You can go and sleep. Sorry.
Ma, go sleep. Hey! Now what? So ma, leave you here. What do people call kidnap you for this place? Wait till you want ma tell your mother if they kidnap you.
No, nobody will kidnap me. I'm fine.
Hey! Speaking of wow. Well, I won't go inside. I not lock my door. Man, if you see they observe you, cannot go let me something happen to you. Maybe your mommy just try to come tomorrow. Man, deliver you give her. She can't problem be only one. Keep it one.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Uncle Vitos, I saw you trying to take off your trousers.
Yeah, they tight me. The tailor when you saw him, you not saw him well. I can't go so that afternoon time. So I said, I remove the zip before you go put mark on my waist. Why?
Uncle Vitos, hope this is not what I'm thinking.
Not at all. But make sure you don't tell your mama anything.
How do you?
I say make you not tell your mama anything. Where you go?
I'm going outside because I cannot sleep with you in this room.
Why? What happened?
I have a feeling you are going to hurt me if I sleep here with you. Excuse me.
Hey! Because you call me like this when you say won't make me they won't follow this kind of small because they play this kind of play. If mama call you this kind of thing now, you will feel so a bad person. We be area we know how to settle up. But this speaking of you will step aside.
Some people easily forgot that blood is thicker than water. Destiny, it can only be delayed. It can be denied. Blood is thicker than water.
Where's this girl? This girl will flew. So upon everything when I talk, this girl see go outside go. This girl mind strong. You get mind. This girl go tell mama say I try to do this kind of thing with her. How the mother go feel? Soon I feel you hate me from here. I no go like her. I no go make sense at all. No go make sense at all. Someone will do like this. What? No matter what officer to any I won't be maybe. Speaking of the behave like wish finish. Upon not the beg when I beg this girl. Oh Allah, it's okay.
What's going on here? Why is this one lying down here? My friend, wake up! Get up! What are you doing here?
Morning, Mom.
My friend, save that. I thought I asked you to sleep at Uncle Victor's place. Why are you lying down here? You ungrateful bastard. I'm going to Uncle Victor's room. Pray to God he did not say any bad thing about you. Because I will kill you. This thing I did is small. I will deal with you, idiot. Go take this thing inside. Rubbish. Bad boy. Oga Vitus. Now Madam Esther. Madam Esther.
Mama Zara. You don't come back.
I don't show. How you doing now?
Fine. How you doing? See how you fresh. Can I dey fine now? How your side?
Now God. I beg you. I come back and see my daughter sleep for outside. I mean, wetin happen?
You dey mind this your daughter? your daughter will not get single respect for his senior so.
I beg, what if she don't do?
Nothing this toothpick not tell me yesterday just because I tell her she can't sleep. Start to they insult me, they talk to me anyhow.
You know me now. Why now? What's gonna bring that one?
You don't give me believe say this girl talk say nah what you go do for where you go soon. Small pikin call they know what they call.
Wait you mean this thing where they tell me so?
Me won't lie against now. She wish who I go feel like against. I go lie against this kind of small pikin. Anything when I tell you now what happen. And it not be the way me and you take day. If I not come meet this guy alive with all this word which she tell me yesterday.
See, Vitus, sure you don't see him. You don't see what they happen. When I go there, they caution this girl for this compound. Other neighbors gonna think say they mad. They gonna think say that me be troublemaker.
I want to tell you something.
Hi.
Most of my guys when they come here, if they change that for that your picking, if they want they put mouth, I they tell them they shut up. Because I know say that your picking not pure. She not pure at all. This your picking need deliverance. Serious one. You hear ba?
I beg.
This your girl so you need deliverance. No, and if you want travel next time, find another person carry am for. Not carry near me.
Beg. I beg, I beg. Make you not allow this small girl come trouble between the friendship where they between us. Just so you be my better neighbor. I beg, no vex.
You know say the way me and you take the Esther, Mama Zara, she too small to cause problem. You get this small toothpick matter too small to not reach to cause problem between me and you now. Sure you buy something come for me. I will soon come now me deliver.
No wahala, no shaking. Don't worry, my caution. Okay. You! How dare you lie to me? How dare... Come on, stand up, I'm talking to you. Get up! How dare you lie?
Mom, I did not lie to you. And as a matter of fact, Uncle Vitus wanted to have his way with me last night.
How? What do you mean?
I woke up, see him trying to unzip his trousers and coming close to me.
What? Huh? Zara, are you normal? How dare you say such thing against a good man like Uncle Vitus? How dare you? Vitus! Trying to! You! Vitus I know! Is that the Vitus?
I hear my name for you just now. What they call him?
I better call him you. Hey!
I hear my name. That is why they and that is why they answer. What did they happen?
Waiting my ear here like this so my mouth no even fit talk.
What see you hear when of it talk? What did they happen?
This small girl talk say she dey sleep. Let her come wake up. Come see when they try to unzip your trouser. Be like say you want rape am.
Hey! Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This guy small pikin. You want to accommodate for my house if your mama not there. Now you dey talk this thing.
See,
Mom, he's lying.
Oh, shut up! Shut up your mouth! Hey, shut up! I'll squeeze you alive. Shut up! How dare you? As small as you are. Now get out of my sight! I said get out! You disgusting thing! Bastard!
Small win!
Oh! Look at this wayward idiot! Please, I beg, no vex. Brother Vitus, no vex for me. No mind that girl. You know, saying a small pikin,
I don't feel like you, This the best meal. This the best where we're about. Man just lock up because of you. Now small pikin I make me they come.
I understand.
And the way me and you take day. If not a big person they talk this word, I swear. I for don't shut him out since.
I understand. Just calm down. No vex. What can you?
How about Vitus? I know this girl will not lie on your head. All what she said, I believe is truth. Why are you like this, Vitus?
Apropos. What be your business? What be your concern for this matter now?
Why are you doing like this? So you think this small girl will be lying on this grown-up man?
Come. Be like as you surplus, so you can't go surplus, live sense. So you don't look the whole compound. You say na me Vitus. Now you want to follow the you don't match line. From now till weekend you go back more for this compound.
Who are you? You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything.
Now me Vitus.
You cannot do anything.
Thank God say you not be stranger. Now the compound will do so. From now till weekend.
No
worry.
I beg, leave him. Just go.
You cannot do anything.
What's be your problem?
You're not a good woman.
What's be your problem?
Why are you maltreating this girl?
Is
she not your daughter?
Mother, if you want to give birth to a child, go and carry your own child. Leave my own alone.
Why are you maltreating this girl?
Jay, they see the insult. You're seeing the embarrassment.
You are
You're seeing the embarrassment.
Why do you like this, Esther? What is your problem? You want to kill this little girl?
I will kill her.
You want to kill her? You sure I will adopt this girl? If you don't want her, let me adopt her.
You don't want that wants to adopt somebody.
Why you like
You don't shop finish.
this one.
You don't shop belefu. You want to adopt. You follow.
Let's go.
You come and meet me in this house. Rubbish. Carry her.
Come and beat her in my house.
You will meet me in this house. Rubbish. Idiot.
Shut your mouth.
Oh, you want to adopt? I see you have money to take care of yourself. You never chop finish. You find who go chop the remaining one. Rubbish. Idiot. What are you doing here? So because I corrected you, you came in here to cry, right?
Mom, that man tried to rape me. God bear me witness.
Zara. Zara, as small as you are lying and even calling the name of God. Eh? Okay. Since you have decided to turn yourself into a crybaby, I'll make you cry.
Mom, please. Mom, please. Mom, please.
No, you want to cry. You cry today. No, come back here. Very stupid. Come back here. I will kill you. Zara, I said come back here.
Mom, please.
Zara, I said come here. Come here. Listen, if I count to 4.
Mom, please. I'm sorry for everything I've done against you. Please, Mom.
Oh, you are sorry. So you even know you've been doing things against me. You know, you're this tiny devil. Let me tell you, you robbed me the day you were conceived. Yes, listen, if I count up to 4 and you don't come to me, I will kill you.
Mom, please.
I will give you my bare hands.
Mom,
You think I'm joking? Never, what is your problem?
You want to kill this girl?
I have told you, if you want a daughter, go and get pregnant. Leave my daughter alone.
Esther, if you touch this girl, you see the other side of me.
I will be part of you. You think? Oh, you want to fight? You want to fight? You want to fight?
I'll kill you. You touch this girl, I'll kill you.
You this girl.
Leave her alone. Go inside.
Oh, you want her to go inside? You're not inside.
Touch her, you see the touch her.
I have told you. Avoid me.
What is it?
What is your business?
Is something wrong with your brain?
What is your business?
That girl, see what this is. See what I will do to you.
Eh.
Touch her. Touch her.
Out.
It's okay. Come. Why are you selling oranges on your school uniform?
I just decided to sell my oranges with the uniform. After all, it's mine.
You don't look happy. Are you sure there is nothing behind this?
No, sir.
Okay. How much are you selling?
350.
350. Okay. Give me 2 sides.
That would be 100 naira.
Yes. Put this one. This one. This big one. Okay. Give me more 3. don't have nylon. I take. Let me help you.
How is that a news? Is that not what is expected of you? Eh? You sold a tray of oranges. You're shouting as if you won a government contract. Whereas your mates are there selling in baskets, 3-4 baskets in less than 2 hours.
No, Mom, that's not true. My friends don't sell much orange as I do because they spend most of their time in school. I'm the only one who sells a tray of orange just because I'm not regular in school.
Okay. Anyway, you need to add more pressure now because we need more money. It's obvious selling 1 tray of orange is not enough for us. So you start selling in baskets. Yes, henceforth you start selling oranges in baskets. And you have enough.
No, Mom, I can't. I can't sell all of that. The tray is okay. I won't. I make so much effort in selling the whole trail. I'm trying, Mom. Why don't you appreciate me for once?
Look at who is talking about appreciation. Eh? Have you ever appreciated me in this life? No, tell me. Have you? I tried everything I could just to get rid of you. Why did you go? Why did you go and leave me alone instead of bringing this much pain and sorrow into my life? Listen, you are the reason I am living this life that I am living. So you will pay for all the consequences. Yes, it is your cross and you will carry it. Rubbish. Listen, the next time you question my authority in this house, I'll throw you out of this house, you bastard. Rubbish.
It's better for me, I will go.
It's better, right? I'm talking, you're talking. I'm talking, you're talking. That's it. I'm talking. You're talking. I'm talking.
Mom, please.
Zara, where are you going to with all those bags?
I'd rather leave your house than for me to die here. It's obvious I'm a product of rape. You don't even love me. You don't even want me in your life. I'm the biggest mistake you ever made. So, let me live instead of you killing me. Maybe I'll have a better life, God willing.
people easily forgot that blood is thicker than water. Destiny, it can only be delayed.
Harassment!
Hey, don't of that. It's nothing that is bad.
I don't say nothing go inside this bag. I don't reason now. Something no go inside this bag. Let me stop now. Guy, why not tell us nothing there? Why not tell us nothing there this bag? See that one I cook and nothing there inside, nothing.
No be always when you talk with the fish, you know. Mo dey go hustle. Nothing dey here. Mo go hustle, guy. It's one of the hustle, guy. Wait, let's see this thing there around.
I've been already at the store. I didn't stop you.
I believe this small.
I didn't stop you. I know the joke.
You don't go say you make him misbehave. Mo dey go. Mo go hustle. No time.
Coronavirus. I can see what you want to achieve. Still like I can't go give my girlfriend. God appreciate me well. This one coronavirus. This one high pencil. Nowadays, I know how much they sell. This one wet leaf. This one brush all these things now. I can give my woman. My woman God appreciate mirror. Tablet. Come on,
Mom, have you said anything about what I told you last time?
You told me a lot of things. Which in particular?
The one I told you about my little friend, Zara.
Oh, that. Well, I'm thinking about it. And I think we should visit her. Then I will invite her mom to know why she treats her the way she does. Even if she's a product of rape, it wasn't her fault. She shouldn't treat her like that.
Mom, why not invite her over before visiting her?
That's okay too. We'll do that, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Sister, I just want to remind you that I'll be leaving for school tomorrow.
Oh yes, you told me. It's okay. I'll sort you out.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sister. Thank you.
You're welcome. how long will I do all these house chores alone? Including selling my commodities to raise money to feed. I shouldn't have allowed her walk away. I have to search for her wherever she is. She needs to come back to this house.
Bruna, went to your house. What are you doing here? I no longer have a home. This is my new home. That uncompleted building.
Jesus. What do you mean no longer have a home?
My mom almost killed me.
Jesus.
So I had to run away, knowing I'm a product of rape. She can never love me, no matter what I do. So I felt the best option for me is to leave.
Zara, are you alright?
No, I'm seriously sick. I don't have money to buy drugs. No one to help me.
It's okay.
I don't want to die.
You will never die.
We will
okay?
die.
We are here for you. We'll take care of you. Come with us. Let me have my child back. You will never have her back. I did not pick her up from your house. I picked her up from the streets, and for that singular reason, you will never have her back. I don't really care where you go. Yes, you can go to wherever you want to go. For the fact that I picked that child from the streets, I don't really care what you do. You are not having her back. That I assure you. No problem. We shall see. We shall see nothing. Get out of my house. Where are the children?
They're inside, Mom.
Thank you.
Madam, are you sure of your complaint?
Yes, Obio. She kidnapped my daughter.
Very well then, we shall handle the matter accordingly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Detective James, come to my office immediately. Madam, just calm down. Everything is under control, okay?
Yes. Open this black one. Not to do smell. Ah, Ale, calm down. You know that bomb the people here. Una two go down. Don't make bomb die. What's this? You want a bad market? But no more. What's in the here? People they suffer for this life. Now two of them they suffer. You see as the suffer take design for your head like suffer na dey family na. Ah wahala. No no suffer now na come dey pick back. Small time na madness go follow na. Afam mo na dey go to mo dey go house. Ah check well. This people fit see money just look here. Go back. They like this. When they use all this personal money.
Good day, madam.
Good day.
I'm Detective James from A Division.
Okay.
You're needed at the station for questioning.
Why, if I may ask?
You will know when you get to the station. Okay? Now, madam, it's better for you to remain silent because anything you say right here will be used against you at the court of law. Officer, move on.
Fine. Steph, take care of her, okay? I'll be back.
Let's go.
Mrs. Teresa,
yes, please.
Why did you adopt or kidnap a child that is not yours without the consent of the mother?
With due respect, I did not kidnap the child. She's my daughter's friend at school. My daughter comes home every time and tells me a lot about that girl. How her mother has been maltreating her, calling her all manner of names, like cursed child, a product of rape, and other bad names. Out of compassion, we went looking for her. But by the time we got there, she had already left home to an uncompleted building. She said that she was scared that her mother would kill her. She was hawking on an empty stomach. Out of compassion, I had to take her home. Honestly, I was supposed to report this case, not her mother reporting.
So, where is the child now?
She's in my house. She's in my custody. As we speak, she's undergoing treatment because when we found her, she was shivering.
We'll have to invite the child over for questions. For us to know who is saying the truth. Yes, we'll have to invite her. Meanwhile, you will have to stay behind. I will go get the girl.
I don't have a problem with that.
So, we go and bring the child.
Okay, sir. I'll take my leave.
Open the gate.
Please, I want to ask when my mother come back, when she my mother.
Will you get off the gate?
Open the gate.
Show me that. So I was just asking now. What did I do now?
For this man,
I was just asking, sir. See, you should have when I come back home. See. Just me. Now all these people are there for Isha. I don't blame you. I blame when I come back here first.
I've lived a painful life since I was born. There'll never be any moment of peace for me. The woman I grew up to know as my mother maltreats me and derives joy in making me cry and sad. She calls me names. She said I'm a child of rape. She said I'm useless and worthless child. Seeing me alone makes her sad. That's why I decided to run away, so that she doesn't kill me.
What a pathetic story. It's horrible. Mrs. Teresa.
Yes, please.
You were right after.
I told you.
I'm very sorry for the embarrassment. Sorry.
It's okay, Obio. You are only doing your job.
Thank you for your understanding. This woman is the most wicked woman I've ever seen. She must face the full wrath of the law.
Definitely.
Detective James, go and bring her here. Girl, it's okay. Everything will be fine, okay? Take care of it. Let's handle it, okay? Stop crying, okay?
Hello. Hey, calm down, madam. We are from A Division. Okay.
What concern?
Sorry. Please, we are looking for one Miss Esther.
Miss Esther.
Yeah.
Esther, we have plenty of Esther in this compound. Which of them are you talking about?
This one is Mama Zara.
Oh, Mama. Oh,
Esther.
this is her door. Mama Zara, this is her door.
Okay, here.
She's inside. She's inside.
Yeah, thank you.
She's inside. Officer. She's here.
Now my people busy body, they don't ask me question. Officer, don't come.
Madam, you're under arrest.
Is it?
You are under arrest, ma'am.
For what now?
For the maltreatment of your daughter. Yes. Madam, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do shall be used against you in the court of law.
Wait, officer.
That's your right.
Like son, I don't forget. Now me can't call on her now to arrest that woman who kidnapped my daughter.
Good.
Yes, exactly.
We know. Madam, you are under arrest. You are needed at the station. Officer, go on to this lady. I want you out of this place.
Wait, don't worry. Let me drop my thing.
I'll take care of it. What's I'll take care of it. Officer, take her. We don't need her in this company.
It's me,
I'll keep the bag and go. Officer,
sure you were. Nowadays. Sister, you sure this lawyer is taking identity?
Go. Now.
Some people easily forgot that blood is thicker than water. I got the no. Fight today. Onye na mmadụ nso. Annan isi eze ya. Nekwa pretender. He's a pretender.
What be they come? Yeah. What's happen? Why did they carry Mama Zara they come out?
I don't know. I'm just coming now. I don't know.
Hey! No. I go do my pack more for this compound. Set up all the day. This place not safe again at all. See that black guy, sir? Nah.
Thank God. Hey!
Aisha,
What happened? I saw police taking Mama Zara away. What happened? That one. My attention, shake game matter. Hey, see, all our evil deed, the hands of the Lord have caught up with her. All the things she has been doing to that innocent girl. I know it. I know the day will come, and this is the day. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Allah, now go there. Now go there. I should be barking like a dog. I think she's the only one living in this compound. I'm so happy.
It baffles me how she do treat that innocent girl.
See, last, her cup don't full.
Hey. Take her away. So
let her go. Let's rest in this compound. I'm so happy.
Peace.
Celebrate it though. Why do we celebrate this?
Zara.
Yes, ma.
Why are you not eating?
I'm not hungry.
That's not true. Mom, I think she's bothered about something.
What is bothering you, my child?
My mother. Please, ma, I would like you to please speak to the policeman to release her. It's about a week she got arrested. That place is not safe for her.
Don't tell me you're bothered about that wicked woman who almost killed you.
She may have done me wrong, but the truth is that she's still my mother. And I still love her, even though she doesn't love me. I still love her as a mother who brought me into this world. Please, speak to the policeman to release her. Please, ma.
I'll see what I can do.
Thank you, ma.
Go ahead and eat your food.
Now that you're about to be released, I want you to assure everyone here that you will never raise your finger on your daughter again or maltreat her in any way.
DPO, sir, I promise, I swear to you, I will never do anything bad to her. It's my daughter. I promise. Please just let me go.
Very well then. You have to sign here that you take proper care of your daughter.
Of course I will.
That's if she will want to go home with you.
Of course she will. She's my daughter.
I'm sorry, Sarah. I can't go stay with her. I can only visit her but not stay with her. I'm still scared. I don't want to repeat of what happened before.
Mrs. Esther, you've just heard your daughter. She said she wouldn't want to stay with you, so it's obvious she's still scared of you. So I will advise that she stays with Mrs. Teresa until she regains her confidence, because she needs to be emotionally stable to return to you.
I understand, DPO. Let her stay with her. Thank you, Madam Teresa, for everything you've done. Thank you very much. Please take good care of her.
I shall will. And you are free to visit us anytime.
Thank you.
Take it outside. Let's go.
So, baby girl, how do you feel now?
Better.
Mrs. Teresa, I appreciate all that you've done.
Thank you.
For bringing her life back on track. So, what do you say to Auntie?
Thank you.
I see this poster for your kids. On this house. Yes, I won't walk.
Okay, if you walk.
Yes.
Just say if you walk. It's big like this. If you walk. What's my time, madam first?
Make I follow you.
Good day, ma'am.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, sit.
Sorry, let me help you.
Thank you. Are you okay?
Oh yes, ma'am. Sorry, I'm sorry.
I don't think so. You don't look fine. You look carried away. What's going on?
No, I'm fine. Trust me, I'm fine.
Okay. No, you can sit. Your daughter will surely come back to you. But you need to give her some time to clear her head, okay?
Okay. Ma, please, can I ask you a question? Don't be offended.
Yeah, go ahead.
Who is this person in the picture?
Ow! Harrison, my late husband's brother. He was living here in Nigeria until my husband decided to relocate him to America. And since then he's been there.
Okay. He's handsome.
I know. He's very handsome, but very stubborn. Well, when he was here, he committed all kinds of atrocities. And my husband was so scared that they would either kill him or send him to jail.
Please, ma, don't be offended. I want to ask you one last question. This person in the picture, when he was still in Nigeria, did he attend West End Memorial College in a village called Oguta?
Yes. Why? Do you know him?
No, not really. His face looks familiar. Ma'am, back to the reason I'm here. I saw your post on just by the gates that you need a house help.
Oh yes. My younger sister was the one helping me with the house chores, but she has gone back to school. That's why I need someone.
Please, ma'am. I would like to apply. I want to work for you. I mean, if I get to work for you, it will bring my daughter and I closer. Maybe she would begin to love me and see me as a mother, since we'll be together always. Please, I really need to rekindle our friendship and relationship. Just grant me this favor. Please.
I'll think about it.
Thank you very much. Thank you, ma. So, can I leave and come back?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Zara and I overheard all that our mom was discussing it. Mom, she needs a job to gain her daughter's love again. Please, Mom.
You know, I was actually contemplating it. But now that you have lent your voice, she has the job.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Anything for my princess. Listen, it is wrong to eavesdrop when adults are talking, okay? Okay. Alright. Oh!
To work. Oh, thank you. You've done a lot for me.
Just thank me, my friend.
I know, but thank you once more.
Anything for you, my
dear. My dear sister, you should learn to love your child. No matter what, she's your blood. Your first blood. No matter the circumstances surrounding her birth, she's still yours. Listen, if you raise this child well, who knows, She might be the one to restore everything you lost in the past. You're even lucky to have a child. A lot of women will do anything just to have one. Okay, I am a case study here. Look at my child, Stephanie. I got married, and for so many years I did not have a child. Yes, my husband and I waited, prayed, did everything. Not even our money could get us in. Until God decided to answer our prayers and blessed us with her. Children are blessings from God. Try and love her.
Thank you very much, Ma. Thank you. I really appreciate. I promise to love her henceforth. Love and accept her as my child. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Now, back to the reason I invited you. I have decided to give you the job. And I'll pay you 50,000 naira every month.
Ma, 50,000 naira?
Yes.
Monthly? Oh, no. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ma. God bless you.
Kneel down. Get up.
Thank you, ma.
We thank God.
Too much.
You can go now and come back tomorrow. You can start tomorrow, actually.
Tomorrow? Thank you, ma. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please send my regards to Stephanie and Zara.
They will hear.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you, ma.
Bye.
God bless you, ma. Thank you.
You seem fascinated with that picture.
Well, ma, actually, the picture looks like my brother's friend who raped a girl years ago and left her to the stigma of it.
Did you just say rape?
Yes, ma.
It was the same offense my brother-in-law committed before my husband decided to fly him abroad instead of him going to jail.
The same what? I mean, what exactly?
My husband said that his brother confessed to raping a certain lady, that both of them were schoolmates. So he decided to fly him abroad, knowing the penalty of the offense he committed.
Ma, please, did he at any point mention the name of the girl in question?
No. My husband was even ready to apologize to the lady and even give her some money. But my dear, up till now, nobody came. We didn't hear from that lady.
Wow. So, when is he coming back to Nigeria? Your husband's brother, I mean.
Oh, very soon. Very soon. The last time I spoke with him, he said he was done with his master's degree program and that he's working and very comfortable now. That when he comes, he would like to get married and take his wife abroad.
Wow. That's nice.
Absolutely.
So how long will he be staying when he comes to Nigeria?
I wouldn't say. Let him come first.
Okay.
Well, we've gisted enough. Go and make food for the children.
Okay, I will. I will.
Let it be. Go and make them food.
Now. Okay.
That's my aunt, as beautiful as ever. Whoa.
You're welcome back.
Thank you very much. You look young every day.
Oh, really? Thank you. How was your trip?
Good. I can see a lot of strange faces. I think there is need for introduction.
We'll do that inside.
Wow.
But for now, you need to come inside.
Yeah.
Yes, and come, bring that stuff. How are you?
Sir, I don't do this for you guys.
Meet my friend. Go to you.
I got sir.
Alright, welcome home.
Oh. It's good to be back home.
I know, right? You're welcome back to Nigeria
Yeah.
for such a long time.
Yeah. So, can I get some introduction there?
Oh, okay. This is Stephanie, my daughter.
Wait a minute, Stephanie, the little girl you gave birth to back in the States?
Yes.
Wow, she's so grown up now.
I know.
What have you been feeding her with?
What else if not Nigerian food?
Wow, big girl.
That's Esther.
Esther.
And this is Zara, her daughter.
Good afternoon. How are you? Esther, nice to meet you.
Welcome, sir. You're welcome back home.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Wow.
I think you need to freshen up now.
Honestly.
Then come downstairs to eat. I'm sure you have missed our delicacies, right?
Of course I did. I can't wait. Wow.
Let's go. I know.
That's my favorite. Wow. It's good to stay home.
I know. You're welcome back.
Yeah. Wow. This food is really delicious. You're sure a wonderful cook. This is real African stew.
Unfortunately, I did not prepare it.
Who did then? Really?
Yes, sir.
Wow, you're such a wonderful cook.
Thank you, sir.
Kids, I hope you guys are enjoying the meal as much as I am.
Yes, please.
It's good to be back home.
So, tell me, what happened in school today?
Nothing much, but we're rounding our exams next week.
Whoa! That's good. Come here. Aww. Congrats. So?
Mom? My classmate said that she'll be going for a vacation after our exams. And I was wondering if I will ever go on a vacation.
Listen, darling. When the time is right, you will go on a vacation. Okay? Come here. In this life, do not ever be in competition with anyone. No one is like you. Do not compare yourself to anyone. You are you. You are not like anyone else. Always believe in yourself, okay?
Yes, Mom.
So, you will soon go on a vacation when the time is right.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. So tell me more. So, tell me, who is your new friend in school? I'm sure you made a new friend. What's her name?
Okay.
I knew it! Wow, where's she from?
So, Harry,
Aunt?
when will you start searching for a wife?
Of course, I've started already.
Really?
Yeah, I stepped out today with the driver.
So, did you find anyone?
Not yet. But hopefully I shall find.
You know, it's your brother's last wish.
Aunt, I shall find a good girl I'll marry. And that will be in no time.
All right. Fingers crossed. No, please don't do it. Please, let me do my job. No.
Why?
Let me do my job. It's my job to do the dirty dishes. Let me do it, please.
Hey, I'm only trying to help you out.
I understand. But if Mother Teresa comes in and sees you doing this, she'll be mad at me. I don't want issues.
Hey, listen, girl. She ain't gonna be mad at you. Okay? I'm only trying to get busy. I was kind of bored in my room.
Listen, if you were bored, you should have done something else. Perhaps go out, see your friends, or do something. Not to be doing the dirty dishes, which is my job.
Hey, listen to me. I understand you perfectly, okay? Listen, I'm only trying to help you out. You see, there's nothing you're going to say here right now that will make me stop this work. I really want to do the dishes. Sorry.
Stop. I don't want wahala.
Hey, come on.
What's going on here? Esther, why did you allow him to do the dishes? No, Ma, I didn't. I was trying.
It's obvious you're tired of your job. You will soon lose it.
No, Ma. Ma, it's not like that, I told you.
Baby, nothing is going to happen to you.
See, I told you we'll put me in trouble.
I'm going to help you out.
See, just go. Just go. Let me do this thing. Go. Oh, please, sir, please. Just go. Just go. What kind of wahala is this now? Please, Ma. I'm sorry. Please, don't ask me to go back. Don't send me away. If you do, you'll be sending me back to poverty. Please, I beg you.
Really? But why would you ask him to do the dirty dishes? I mean, that's an insult. That's the height of disrespect. Not just to me, but to my late husband.
I can do on anything. I did not ask him to do the dishes.
Aunt, honestly, she didn't ask me to do it. I was bored in my room and I needed to do something. I got into the kitchen and decided to wash dishes. It's not her fault. Blame it on me.
Please, Ma. Please,
thank you. That's fine. But listen, Esther. I do not want a repeat of what just happened. Is that clear?
Yes, Ma.
You have to do your job. After all, that was the only reason I employed you and pay you.
Yes, my will. I promise it will never happen again. I promise you.
Leave my presence.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Seriously, that was too harsh on the lady.
It was not harsh. It was not harsh at all compared to what I would have done to her. I mean, why would she allow you to do the dishes? If there was no dirty dishes in that kitchen, you wouldn't have seen anything to wash.
Aunt, I'm human like her. Anybody can wash the dishes. Besides, I decided to wash the dishes myself. So do not hinge the blames on her.
That's fine. I've heard. You have begged on her behalf enough. But truly, henceforth, allow her to do her job. After all, that is why I pay her.
It's fine. I've heard you. Sorry I made you go through all that.
I begged you not to. I asked you not to, but you wouldn't listen.
That is why I'm here to apologize to you. I'm very sorry about it.
It's okay, it's past. You're forgiven.
Thanks for forgiving me. Esther, I don't want you to be upset anymore. Reasons because I really want to know more about you.
Why? What for?
Okay, let me tell you the truth. For a couple of days now, I've been observing you. You know, there is this thing about you that I'll be finding so hard to place. Though I love your personality and your disposition, but most especially the love and affection between you and your daughter.
What do you want to know?
Everything. And that's if it's okay by you.
Harrison, look at this face. What do you see?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You can't see anything.
Come up there, babe. I see nothing.
Look closely. Did you attend West End Memorial College in Ogota Village?
Yeah, that was way back ago.
So it is you! You put me through this!
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I'll tell you. My real name is Doshima Nathaniel.
A long time we had a physics teacher like that. I pray he prepares us very well for our upcoming examination.
Obviously, he will.
What is so fascinating about this physics teacher that you don't allow us to hear word in this school? Eh? Is he finer than me? Eh? See, anyway, that's by the way. Doshima, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. The reason I came out here is because of that last thing I told you about. I mean, my proposal. What's up?
What proposal?
Are you trying to tell me that you have forgotten so soon? My proposal now, I told you I like you. I want us to have a fling. I want us to get along. I want you to be my woman. I can do anything for you. I like you so much.
Harrison, listen and listen very good. I mean, listen very carefully. There is nothing, there is absolutely nothing that can ever go on between us. Do you really understand that? I'm very sorry. I'm not in for that. I'm sorry.
Come off it. I know you're joking. You're joking. See, let me tell you, we have money. My dad has money. Forget that sometimes I come to school like this. We have money, bastard money. My uncle has money. I will treat you well. I will take you anywhere you want to go to. All I want is just accept me. See this your backside.
Touch me!
She said she's not interested. What of that don't you understand?
Who be this?
Listen.
Busybody? Who is this
Let's
busybody?
go.
Nonsense.
Wait! Is it me here? See this busybody? Oh. Wait. You're even checking it. Wait for me. Shima, wait.
What is it? What? Haven't I told you to let me be?
Okay, just wait and hear me out, okay? If you can just wait now, you will hear what I have to say. Just wait.
Listen, Harrison, I am not interested. Can't you just understand it? Why can't you just let me be?
The truth of the matter is that I cannot let you be. See, let me tell you, anything that Harrison wants, he gets. Get it into your head now. Whatever I need, that is what I must get. Forget that thing that your friend is telling you. Your friend is just telling you nonsense. Just calm down now and hear me out.
Hey, God Almighty. Is it by force? No. Is it by force? I said I'm not interested. Why is it so hard for you to understand it? I said I'm not interested. What's wrong with you? Stop following me around.
Calm down. Let me tell you. There are so many things that is there that I will not understand. As I'm talking to you right now, I've made plans already for us. You understand? All I need you to do is just to accept me. And everything, all the plans will roll out. I will take care of you. Let's just do the thing, that's all.
Listen and listen very good, Harrison. I said I am not interested. I have have nothing to do with you. Do you get it? Next time you stop me on this road and take this thing, I bet you will regret it that day. What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
Me, Harrison, get it.
Get out of me! Get out! No sense. Don't stop me again. What's wrong with you? Leave me be. I'm not interested. Is it my fault?
Wait, is it me this girl is shouting for like this on the road? I hope some of these small girls have not seen me. Are you sure nobody saw us? Enough is enough. I have to do that which I must do to get that which I want. Yes, anything Harrison wants, he gets. We shall see. We shall see.
Young lady. Why are you crying? What happened to you? Why do you, what are you doing on the ground?
Someone just raped me.
Someone raped you?
Yeah.
In this room? What could that be? Do you know the person?
His name is Harrison.
Harrison?
Harrison raped me.
Harrison. Sorry. Harrison. You know you very well, right? Sorry. It's okay.
After that encounter, I took in. I didn't even know I was pregnant until my aunt noticed.
You are still here. The place I asked you to wash since morning, you've not washed them. Why?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm not so strong.
What is wrong with you?
I don't.
What? you alright?
I'm fine.
Toshima. Those are early signs of pregnancy.
I am not pregnant.
Shut up! You're lying!
I am not lying. I'm not pregnant.
Will you keep quiet?
I'm not pregnant.
Who got you pregnant?
I'm not pregnant. I swear to God, I'm not. I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
Oh! You want to ruin my name and that of my husband? But before you do that, I will kill you. You cause child. You cause child.
I'm not pregnant.
You want to kill me?
Please, I'm not pregnant. Please, I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
Shameless child.
What is the name of that young man?
His name is Harrison, Uncle.
And you said he raped you?
Yes, Uncle.
Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
You're not doing this thing well. You're not fucking this way the way I like it. Baby, let me do it for you.
Tell me the truth.
This girl is lying, Tamuno. This girl is lying.
Tell me the truth.
She is obviously lying. She is hiding that man from us. Who got you pregnant? She doesn't want to tell us. Can't you see?
I'm telling the truth.
Shut up! You're not saying anything. You're not telling us any truth. How can her classmates single-handedly rape her? It's not possible now.
You cannot have this bastard in this house. Go in there, pack your things and leave this house.
Uncle, I don't know where
Tell
he
me that
lives.
man who got you pregnant.
I don't know where he lives. I'm not telling the truth.
You are liars.
Okay, Tamuno, where does he live?
This is the truth is that I don't know where he lives. We only meet in school.
Oh! Tamuno, you're not fucking this girl.
No,
I swear to God, I'm not lying to you. I'm not lying to you.
You want to tell me the truth?
Spoke her very well. When you were opening your legs, you did not remember her. Shut up!
You know what? Go in there, pack your things and leave this house. Because you cannot have this bastard in this house.
Exactly.
Go meet the man who got you pregnant.
Exactly.
Go in there. Nonsense.
Look, you will have to go and meet him. You cannot have an illegitimate child in this house.
Yes.
He is now your husband. Do you get me? You're still here. You don't want to go.
Please,
Maybe
please,
if you touch me, I will slap you. I will pose you slap. I will help you. I will help you and pack your things if you don't want to leave. Let me do it for you.
Please, Auntie, please.
This condition. And even I'm staying alone, definitely I will accept you.
It's okay. I understand. It's hard.
So where are you going now?
I don't know. Listen, I don't know. If I die, let me die there. After all, my both parents are dead, leaving me this lonely one to suffer. So if I join them, it's not a crime. If I join them, it's not a crime.
Why just take care of yourself?
There was nowhere for me to stay. Then I was told he had left the school. I had to move to an uncompleted building so that I would have a roof over my head. I tried all I could, but the pain became so unbearable. I had to opt to aborting the child. I did everything. Everything. But no. The seed kept growing. At some point I got tired and gave up. I had to take to the streets. I started begging for food, for money, for clothes, everything so that I could feed myself and my unborn child. That was how I survived till the 9th month when contractions started.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Please help me! Please help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Please help me! I think my name is
I'm a midwife. I'll help you.
Please help me! Guys, help me!
Relax, I'll help you. Relax, I'll help you. Calm down. Relax. Take it easy. Just take it easy. Relax. Relax. Take it easy. Push. The baby's just
That was how I had her through the help of the midwife. Her birth brought me so much pain and sorrow. I lost everything. I gave up my education, my social life, everything for her. Whenever I see her, memories of everything I have been through resurfaces. Then I feel nothing but hatred, pain, disgust towards this little girl that did nothing to me. I transfer the aggression to someone that did nothing that doesn't even deserve it. Harrison, you shattered my world. You ruined my life. I went through hell, through the deepest part of the earth to take care of our child all alone.
I'm sorry. Between God and man, I know I've erred. You didn't deserve to go through all this. Believe me, you didn't deserve it. I know I've wronged you in so many ways that I can't even explain. I'm so sorry. That is why I'm saying, forgive a naive young man who acted out of ignorance. I've wronged you, Shima. Forgive me, please. I promise to make it up to you. I will make it up to you. Shima, if you give me a chance, I will marry you and take care of you and my daughter. I will take both of you to the States. Give you a better life, please. I'm sorry, please. Forgive me. Forgive me, please.
Wow. Fate has brought both of you together again. Esther, please forgive him.
Please.
For my sake, forgive him. Please. Please. Zara.
Yes, Mom.
That's your father.
Yes, I am your father. I am your father. Come Oh, my daughter. My daughter. Zara, please forgive me. Forgive your father.
Forgive your father.
Forgive me. I love you. I love you. God will bless you. I love you so much. I love you, please. Please forgive me. Shima, forgive me, please. I will never let you down. I will make sure you're up to date. Please. Forgive me.
My daughter decides to forgive you, then you're forgiven.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. I'm sorry. I'm
My husband.
Yes, I'm coming.
Are you expecting some visitors?
No, I'm not expecting you.
Check the gate.
How may I? Good day, sir. Good day, ma'am.
Good day, ma. Good day, sir.
It's me, Doshima. Your late sister's only child.
It's a lie. Doshima.
Auntie.
Is this you?
Yes, Auntie.
Oh, my daughter. Come. Oh, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Come on, greet your auntie.
Auntie, is this your son?
Yes, he is.
Oh my God, you're so grown. He's so grown. How are you? So cute.
Hi.
Come here.
Who are these people beside you?
Oh, Auntie, this is Zara, my daughter. The result of the pregnancy that made you send me out of your house. And this is Harrison, the man that raped me then, but he has come back and apologized and now seeking for my hand in marriage.
It's all right. This is not what we can discuss outside. Let me get seat so that we can sit down.
Okay. Come. You, how you been? Okay.
You see, during my stay in the States, the guilt of what I did to Doshima never left me. Back then, I was damn naive and irresponsible. And because of that, my elder brother sent me abroad. But now I'm back a grown man and a more responsible man. As destiny may have it, I met Doshima again. And I decided to marry her. Reasons because she is the same woman I raped many years ago.
Thank God you came back for her. Before we proceed, on behalf of my wife and myself, I'd like to apologize to Doshima for everything we did to you. Please, Doshima, we are really sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive us.
Please, have mercy on us.
Uncle, Auntie, I have already forgiven you people. That is why I am here. I mean, if you had not sent me away, I wouldn't have met Harrison. So I believe everything happened for a reason.
Thank you very much, my daughter.
Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so happy for the both of you. You already have my blessings.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Auntie.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, I actually came with some things for you. They're in my car trunk. Let me get them for you. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
What a perfect gentleman.
Santi,
don't you ma? Oh, thank God.
Auntie, we have a lot to talk about. So,
I'm so sorry.
It's fast.
Oh, see Doshima. See how beautiful she looks now. Wow.
I wonder what I would have done without you. I love you so much, my lovely wife.
I love you too, my beloved husband.
You see, once we get to the States, I'll make sure you go back to school. Yes. All you've lost in the past, I'll make sure you get them back in double folds. That's an assurance.
Thank you so much. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for putting smiles on our faces again.
Anything for you, my darling.
You know, I'm not only happy because I have gotten everything I lost in the past, but I am happy because the relationship between my daughter and her father has been rekindled. I mean, at least now she can enjoy the fatherly love she missed from birth.
It's okay. I'll make sure you and my daughter will never suffer again. Okay?
Okay.
Daddy is here now. Come to me.
Lovebirds! So this is where you're hiding.
What God has joined together.
I am putting asunder.
Please don't. Don't.
Well, lunch is served.
Mom. Aunt, that can wait for now. I have a good news for you.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm all ears.
My family and I will be going back to the States in a week time.
Wow.
You see, all our documents are approved on express basis because we are not married.
That's great news. I'm so happy for both of you.
Thank you.
I'm happy.
Ma, thank you very much for everything you've done for us. May God keep blessing you richly.
Amen.
Amen.
Right now, it is food time. Food, lunch. So shall we?
Sure.
This way.
Right behind you.
Enough, Steph. I owe my newfound happiness to you.
Oh, please stop.
I'll be traveling to America next week. All thanks to you. You've been a nice friend and a nice sister. Thank you for bringing joy to our family once again.
It's nothing, okay? You're a good girl. I just hope and pray every child gets to replicate the kind of your lifestyle in their various homes. Come here. Now we head home safe.